Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi and today we are going to be decorating my coffee bar for Easter. Yesterday we had the most outstanding weather and it just put me in the Easter spring mode. Even though tomorrow is supposed to be 40 degrees again, I'm staying in the spring mode. I love this time of year because here in West Virginia, as a lot of other places, we get dogwood trees blooming and daffodils coming up, and I absolutely love it. Thanks to my dad last year, he put together this here. It's actually a TV stand. It's actually supposed to have two of these types of cabinets. Now, this looks like drawers, but actually it's just one big door. And so I love the overall look of this. I am really into sort of that farmhouse feel kind of thing. We painted the wall here in black chalk paint. As you can see, I've got all of my, I don't know if you guys can see it in the mirror, but I've got all of the Easter stuff on my table, getting ready to figure this out and make this look really cute. Yes, I have a hole in the wall. It's been there since I moved here. I don't even know what it was there for. I never patched it. I hung things over it. And that probably sounds crazy to you guys, but it's true. It's what I did. So what I'm going to do is we are basically going to wipe this whole thing down, clean the mirror, and then we are going to start assembling and putting together our Easter decor here on my bar. If you guys have seen yesterday's video, you guys seen where I went to Marshall's. I want to say Home Goods because it's so similar and it is owned by the same company, which I found out today. But Marshall's had their tier trays and I had been wanting one so very badly. And my birthday is coming up this Friday and Ronnie bought it for me as an early birthday gift because I have been looking for one for months. I don't know if you guys are acquainted with the videos that are out on YouTube where they actually decorate these tier trays, but I don't know, but it just looked like so much fun. I wanted to do it myself. So we're going to get cracking. I'm going to wipe all of this down. As you can see, I completely cleared this off, cleared everything off the walls, and we're just going to start with a clear slate. What I'm going to do is just kind of work from here down, and then we will kind of go through this and reorganize and fix this to look a little bit better than it does. I got a lot of products here and I might switch that into the closed cabinet area so that it's not so visible. It's a lot of teas mostly, but anyways, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put you guys on a tripod and we're going to get started. I'm all finished. I'm so excited. So I got all of this all organized. I did keep my teas out because what happens is if I don't see what teas I have, of course I know I have green tea and black tea in here, but like my flavored teas, the different ones that I enjoy, they'll get shoved away in the back and then I forget what I have and then they're not utilized and I hate that. So yeah, so I have fixed all my coffee mugs, put away all the Valentine ones, Christmas ones, Thanksgiving ones, all of that back in there. And now we are set up for Easter. This makes me very happy, guys. I am so excited how this came out. Of course, I will be scooting this all the way back. Right now, I have my, I'll show you guys, my charger hooked to my phone currently, just so I don't go dead while recording this. So, because this was the easiest thing for me to do today. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video of me decorating my coffee bar, but I have to tell you, I am looking forward to spring weather, beautiful sunshine, and just enjoying the overall time of Easter. So happy Easter, guys, and I will be talking to you all again soon. If you all are new to my channel, like these bunnies over here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you would like me to decorate my coffee bar for summer, let me know your thoughts because I can come up with some ideas for my coffee bar for summer. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day or night whenever you are watching this. Bye-bye, guys.